Roblox Mobile does not have an in app setting to change your font everywhere, but you can change how you chat text, display name text outside the app, and profile font appear by using custom fonts from your keyboard or font generator. Here's how to do it easily on your phone. First, you need to go ahead and use a font keyboard app, which is the easiest method. For that, you need to open any Play Store or App Store, then search for any fancy keys or fonts keyboard, which will allow you to use stylus text. And then go ahead and install any of the app that you want and enable the keyboard. Then open the Roblox, and when typing in chat, bio, profile description, or any other places, you can select your favorite font and use it. It also works for chat, bio, and about section, and it does not entirely change the Roblox UI. You can also use an online font generator. For that, you need to open your web browser, search for Roblox Fancy Text Generator. Go ahead and enter the text that you want in a new font. And now, if you scroll down, you will see a lot of different options. You can copy any generated styled text that you want. Open your Roblox application and use this font in your name, in your bio, or wherever you want. Another thing you can do is you can open your system settings first, then go to display. Now choose font style, and here go to font style, which is now set to default, but you can download different fonts or use the existing one. And this will also be applicable in your Roblox app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.